After receiving a consent order in 2018 for capacity expansion, the Pecan Water Reclamation Facility had just 4 years to address that deficiency by December 2022. The list of noncompliance notices from the Arizona Department of Environmental Quality resulted in designating EPCOR as the interim operator. In an email, Gary Whitten, senior project manager for GHD who helped design the project, had the following to say: "The no compliances included illegal and unauthorized discharges from the site, odor and noise complaints, and overflowing sanitary sewers in a neighboring residential area caused by clogged screens at the plant influent." With the goal of expanding the biological nutrient removal plant from 3 million gallons per day to 4 million gallons per day, EPCOR selected MGC Engineering and GHD through a design-build procurement method. Additional requirements included new influent and odor control systems, as well as improvements to facility resiliency, operations, and maintenance. To the north of the project site lies Queen Creek. To the west of the project site is an arterial road as well as a power line, and on the east and the south there are residential developments, and then on the site itself are effluent recharge ponds. So to say that footprint is a challenge for this project, we'd be putting it pretty lightly. In addition to that footprint challenge was also maintaining operations while construction was ongoing. Gary said that services were deactivated in sequence and primary services were relocated as needed. Quote, "It felt as if we were rebuilding a car while driving it." The old headworks was being demolished as the new headworks was being constructed, so this meant that there was bypass pumping in place for 10 months while that new pumping station and headworks station were in construction. The Pecan Water Reclamation Facility completed construction in early 2022 and met all the goals that it set out to achieve: an expansion to 4 million gallons per day for its biological nutrient removal system, while also being able to produce Class A biosolids and meeting a new max peak rated capacity of 12 million gallons per day.